welcome back. Now we're going to move on to fish fillet preparation and marination. In this video, we will teach you the dry rub marinade of a la gambas. Gambas is usually done on shrimps, but here we'll use fish instead. And we will also be doing easy Indian curry. Let's get started. First, make sure to prepare all your fish. To prepare the fish, make sure to brine it, add rock salt, and rub it all over the fish and wash it under running water. Make sure that there are no sliminess that is left in your fish after you've washed it with salt. Following this procedure, we are now going to make fillets out of these thick cuts. This is tanigit fish, a large form of a mackerel fish. We're going to remove the skin and the bones in the middle. Usually the bones are in a cross pattern so we can get all four quadrants of the flesh. Remove the black meat as well because it has the tendency to have that fishy stink or fishy smell. And cut your fish into large cubes. Done with the fish preparation, you can now put them into a bowl and prepare your dry rub marinade. Use gloves in order to rub it into the flesh of the fish. Generously season with salt and pepper. Add in your aromatics. Here I am using a generous amount of paprika, which is the main ingredient of a la gambas or the gambas recipe. Mix it well together and gently massage the fish with the dry rub seasoning. Usually the gambas recipe calls for acidity, some lemon juice or calamansi juice, but your fish flesh will cook in these liquid marinades, the acidic liquid marinade. So you need to only add that when you are going to cook it. But if you are marinating chicken, beef or pork, you can already add your calamansi or your lemon juice. Once done, just put it in an airtight container, spread it out, and label. Next, we have our Indian curry wet marinade ingredients for our fish. Same thing, prepare your fish and then put in your seasoning, your aromatics, mix them well together. Add in some of the spices that we need for an Indian curry. So we have curry powder, cumin, a little bit of coriander powder is also optional, and we add in a little bit of cayenne for some spice. Once you are done, add in your coconut milk. Mix that well together and pour into an airtight container and keep. Since this is using coconut milk and using fish, it doesn't keep as long as the other marinades. It can keep in your freezer for as long as 2 to 4 months. And there you have it. We are labeling our fish curry, Indian fish curry. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and try it yourself. Thank you. Bye.